There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, if I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters. That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would,
안녕하세요. 한이의 푸른TV입니다. 지금 이 근처 상동호수공원에 왔습니다. 매미 소리가 지금 엄청 시끄럽고요. 비가 오다 말다 하네요. 상동호수공원의 풍경은 대충 이렇습니다. 날이 진짜 덥네요. 사람도 많이 없고요. 비가 오다 말다 하고 있습니다. 운동하시는 분도 조금씩 있고요. 여러분들도 건강하게 지내시기 바라겠습니다. 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다. 좋은 영상으로 뵙겠습니다. 안녕히 계십시오. 시청해 주셔서 감사드립니다.